The Nigerian Stock Exchange has been struggling since July as a result of the economy's reaction to the price of crude oil in the international market. Investors have stood on the sidelines waiting to get a complete view of fiscal and monetary policies to enable them make investment decisions. In an exclusive interview with TVC News, Chief Executive Officer of the exchange advised investors to take advantage of current trend.
We think that we're reaching the bottom if we're not already at the bottom, and that domestic investors that have a long-term view to invest in, this is a good time. It's a good entry point for them.
Reacting to a proposed bill which seeks to enforce the listing of companies on the stock market, the NSE boss said there is another way to achieve that.
If you create an environment that gives tax incentives for companies to list, and that also is punitive in the sense that if a company does not list, and the company ordinarily will qualify to list, and they meet certain parameters, then they pay higher taxes. Now, we know that most companies that are listed pay more taxes than their equivalent companies that are not listed, because the listing makes you more transparent. There are regulatory requirements for filing. People see what you're doing. But if you're hiding somewhere and you don't have reporting requirements, what we see is that tax compliance is a lot lower.
The Private Companies Conversion and Listing Bill 2013 seeks to compel companies with huge shareholders fund, annual turnover, or total assets to convert to public liability companies and get listed on any stock exchange registered by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The bill passed a second reading during the 7th National Assembly and was aimed at stabilizing Nigeria's macroeconomic system. Oluyemisi Dada, TVC News, Lagos.